Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have the required security rights and a fresh backup. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open Tally and select the company file you'll work on. Next, navigate immediately to display or alter vouchers from Gateway of Tally so the vouchers list appears. Make sure the financial period matches the date of the journal entry you want to remove. This keeps you from deleting similar entries in a different month. Proceed to locate the specific journal voucher. You now filter vouchers to find the journal. Press F7 for journal or apply date and ledger filters to narrow results. Once you see the candidate, open it and verify the ledger names, amounts, and the narration. This step explains why you're removing it and prevents mistaken deletion. If the entry is part of a reversal, contra, or link transaction, make sure you understand the dependencies. After confirming it's the one, get ready to remove it safely using the delete option in the voucher screen. You can delete the voucher by opening it and pressing Alt+D, then confirm the deletion when Tally prompts. This action removes the journal from the books. Once deleted, save or take another quick backup so your current state is preserved. If the delete option is disabled, make sure your user writes permit voucher alteration. If rights are correct but problem persists, restore the backup and reattempt in a test company copy. That troubleshooting tip prevents data loss while you resolve permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.